The topic of today's video is Notion versus Monday.com. Which productivity tool reigns supreme in 2025? So let's start off with a brief overview. Notion is a versatile workspace that combines note-taking, databases, task management, and wikis. It's known for its flexibility and customization. Monday.com, on the other hand, is a robust project management tool designed to help teams plan, track, and deliver work efficiently. It offers structured workflows and automation features. Now, before we jump into some of the features, I want to talk about the pricing. So Notion has a free plan, which is just for personal use for one individual. It gives you all the basics: forms, sites, Notion calendar, Notion mail, which syncs with Gmail, and databases including subtasks and dependencies. Now, for $10, you can get the Plus plan, which is for small teams and gives you unlimited collaborative blocks, unlimited file uploads, charts, custom forms, custom sites, and some basic integrations like Slack and Google Drive. Now, for growing businesses, we're looking at $20 per month, and that's going to give you SAML, SSO, and you can verify any page, private team spaces, conditional forms, logic, and domain verification, as well as some more premium integrations, as you can see here. Now, lastly, we have Enterprise, which of course is for larger organizations, and you will have to contact the sales team to get pricing on that. Now, if we jump over to Monday.com, Monday.com works its pricing on seats, which can be problematic or it can be great. So we'll work on the default of 10 seats here. So there's a free plan, which will give you up to 2 seats. And this is going to give you up to 3 boards, unlimited documents, 200 plus templates, 8 column types, and you can use the app as well. On the basic version, which starts at $9 a seat per month, you are looking at unlimited free viewers, unlimited items, 5 gig file storage, 500 AI credits per month per account, and prioritized customer support. For $12 a month per seat, you can get access to timeline and Gantt views, calendar views, guest access, 500 AI credits per month per account, so same as the last plan, as well as automations, which are 250 actions per month, and integrations, again 250 actions per month. At $19 a seat a month, you can get the Pro plan, and that's going to give you some private boards, chart view, time tracking, a heck of a lot more automations, and a lot more integrations as well. And then lastly is the Enterprise, which again you're going to need to get a quote on, so you'll need to contact support. And here you are getting multi-level permissions and enterprise-grade security and governance. So when it comes to project management, Notion provides customizable templates and views like tables, boards, calendars, and timelines. While flexible, it may require more setup for complex projects. Monday.com offers advanced project management features out of the box, including Gantt charts, task dependencies, and automation. It's tailored for teams needing structured project tracking. If your focus is on comprehensive project management with minimal setup, Monday.com would be more suitable. Now, when it comes to note-taking and documentation, Notion excels with its rich text editor, allowing users to create detailed notes, wikis, and collaborative documents. It's ideal for building knowledge bases. Monday.com primarily focuses on task and project management. While it has added docs for basic note-taking, it's not as robust as Notion's capabilities. So for in-depth documentation and collaborative note-taking, Notion for the win. Now, when we're talking customization and flexibility, Notion is highly customizable, allowing users to build tailored workflows, databases, and templates to fit unique needs. Monday.com offers customization within its structured framework, including customizable dashboards and automation recipes. If you prefer a blank canvas to design your workspace, Notion is the way to go. For guided customization within project management, Monday.com is suitable. And then the last thing I want to get into is collaboration and teamwork. Notion supports real-time collaboration, comments, and mentions, making it great for team documentation and shared notes, right? Monday.com is designed for team collaboration on projects, offering features like task assignments, status updates, and integrated communication tools. So, for project centric team collaboration, Monday.com is very much optimized. For collaborative documentation, Notion shines. So, to bring it all full circle, if you need a flexible all in one workspace for note taking, documentation, and customizable workflows, choose Notion. Opt for Monday.com if you're seeking a structured project management tool with robust features and team collaboration capabilities. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more insights into productivity tools.